Hello everyone. In this tutorial, first we will open the tutorial file and then create cross-section of the model in the planes mode to get the inside view. The following steps are required to complete this tutorial. Open the tutorial file, enable sectioning, create sections using planes mode and various transforming tools, and at the last, save the project. Now, we will open the tutorial file in the software. Go to the Quick Access toolbar and choose the Open button. The Open dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, browse to the folder NWS_2024. Then open the folder C04_Navisworks_2024_2 and then select the second tutorial file. Choose the Open button and the model is displayed in the scene view. Now we will enable the cross-section mode. Choose the Viewpoint tab and in the sectioning panel, choose the Enable Sectioning option and you will see the Sectioning Tool Conceptual tab is displayed in the ribbon. After this, we will create the section using the Planes mode and transforming tools. In this tab, in the Mode panel, open the Planes drop-down list and ensure that Planes tool is chosen. Again, in the Planes Settings panel, open the Current Plane drop-down and ensure that Plane 1 option is selected. Now, choose the Move tool in the Transform panel and you will see the section plane is displayed. After this, choose the Select tool from the Quick Access toolbar and select this building element and you will see the selected object is highlighted in blue. Now, choose the Fit Selection tool in the Transform panel and you will see the section plane moves to the highlighted building element. After this, in the Plane Settings panel, open the Alignment drop-down list and choose the Left option. The section plane changes as you can see the scene view. Next, choose the Rotate tool from the Transform panel and you will see the Rotate gizmo is displayed. Place the cursor on the red curve between the Y and Z axis. The curve gets highlighted. Now, press and hold the left mouse button and drag the Rotate gizmo in the right direction, like this, and release it when the section plane meets the BB axis. After that, deselect the Rotate tool from the Transform panel and you will see the Rotate gizmo and the section plane disappears. Choose the Viewpoint tab now and in the Navigate panel, open the Orbit drop-down list and choose the Orbit tool. The Orbit cursor appears on the screen. After that, press and hold the left mouse button and drag the cursor in the right direction, like this, and release it when the section view of the model looks similar to this. Choose the Sectioning Tool tab now and in the Save panel, choose the Save Viewpoint option. The Saved Viewpoints window is displayed. In this window, an edit box is displayed. Enter section view in this edit box. And press enter. The view is saved as section view. After this, close the Saved Viewpoints window and choose the Enable Section button in the Enable panel. The section model is displayed. Now we will save the project. Go to the Quick Access toolbar and from the Application menu, choose the Save As option. The Save As window is displayed. Save the file as file name C04 underscore Navisworks underscore 2024 underscore Q2 and choose the Save button. The file is saved. After doing this tutorial, now you know how to create cross-section of the model in the planes mode, create sections using planes mode and various transforming tools, and how to enable sectioning. Thank you.